Hey everyone, welcome to day 8 of the 31-day writing prompt series. If you're enjoying this series, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's a link in the comments section to get the full series. Today's writing is focused on timing. Here's our open prompt. Write about something that was given too early or taken too soon. Focus on the gap between readiness and reality. And here's our directive prompt. Write a scene centered on a moment of premature exchange, an object, responsibility, truth, or role that arrives too early or is removed too soon. Your character is unprepared for the emotional and practical weight of this change. Track their reactions beat by beat, emphasizing the gap between what they're expected to do and what they're actually ready to handle. And after you finish writing, let us know in the comments section what you wrote about today. Was it something that came too early for your character or something that was taken too soon? Happy writing!